I'll be looking at some examples regarding molar solution. And the first example says, explain the preparation of 0.1 molar NaOH. That is, how can you prepare 0.1 molar NaOH? How do you prepare it? Now, say we should prepare 0.1 molar NaOH, that's sodium hydroxide. Now, no volume was specified. They didn't tell us the amount of volume we should use or the amount of volume to prepare. So it means that we are preparing it in the standard definition of a normal solution, 1 liter of solution. We are preparing it in a liter. So our volume therefore will be 1 liters. Now, we don't know what we are going to weigh to prepare. We don't know the amount of sodium hydroxide, the stock that we're going to weigh to prepare this in 0.1 molar solution. How we do that is using this formula. That is molar concentration, or like I'll just say molar conc equals to the reacting mass over the molar mass times 1000 over volume. But this volume should be converted to milliliters. Now, talking about NaOH, what is the molar mass of NaOH? We know NaOH has Na, O, and H, giving us Na 23, oxygen 16, and H1 as 40 grams. The reacting mass, which is what we are going to weigh, the reacting mass is what we are going to weigh. We don't know it yet, so it's giving us X. Then the volume, I told you, because no volume was specified, it didn't say prepare 10 ml of 0.1 molar NaOH or prepare 30 ml of, just say prepare 0.1 molar NaOH. So our volume will be in liters according to the definition of molar concentration. So our volume is 1 liters, which by conversion we know that 1 liters is 1000 milliliters. We go back to this, we input this here. Our molar conc was already given. We're trying to prepare this. So our molar conc is what? 0.1 molar. So we'll go back to this. 0.1 molar is equals to, we're looking for the reacting mass. That's the mass we're going to weigh. We don't know it yet. We don't know the mass we weigh in 1 liter of water. That is X divided by, what's the molar mass of this NaOH? So we said it was 40 times 1000 being a constant divided by the volume. The volume is in liters, but according to this formula, we have to convert that volume in milliliter, which is 1000. 1000 cancel each other. So this is 0.1 over 1 equals to X over 40. I would like to divide this into 2. Pardon me. Divide this into 2 for my explanation. So when you cross multiply, we have 40 times 0.1 equals to X. Select swap both sides. That's X is equals to what? 4 grams. Now this 4 grams we get here tells us that when we're trying to prepare 0.1 molar of NaOH, we have to collect 4 grams of the stock. You take 4 grams of the stock and dissolve it in 1 liter of water or 1000 ml of water. So if they ask you to explain now, you said, okay, a conical flask or a measuring cylinder was obtained, and then 4 grams of NaOH stock was weighed, and a little quantity of water was added. Mind you, you don't just add the 1000 ml of water or 1 liters of water. You add a little quantity of the water. When you add a little quantity of the water, you shake them, ensure thorough mixing. So a little quantity of water was added. Mixing was ensured. Then the remaining water was added to make up 1000 ml or 1 liters. So this is how you prepare your 0.1 molar NaOH. Thank you.